Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF on your iPad. First, find your PDF document on your device, perhaps in your Files app or email. Simply tap the document to open it, bringing it into full screen view. Then, locate the small pen tip icon, usually found near the top right of your screen. Tapping this icon activates the powerful markup tools, essential for adding your signature. With the markup toolbar now visible at the bottom of your screen, your next step is to find the dedicated signature tool. Look for a small plus sign icon, typically positioned on the right-hand side of this active toolbar. Tapping this plus sign reveals a small menu with several options. From this menu, simply choose the option labeled Signature to begin creating or adding your personalized sign-off. Now it's time to create your signature or use one you have already saved. If you've signed documents before, your signature might appear as an option. Simply tap it to use. For a new signature, select Create New Signature. Using your finger or an Apple Pencil, carefully draw your unique mark within the provided space. Once finished, tap Done in the top right corner, saving your signature for future use. After creating or selecting your signature, it will instantly appear on your document. You can easily move it by tapping and dragging the signature box with one finger, positioning it exactly where you need it. To adjust its size, simply use the small blue circles located at each corner of the signature box. Dragging them allows you to resize it to fit perfectly within the document space. Once satisfied, tap anywhere outside the box to confirm its placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.